Hey, hello everyone, this is Marine. Now I'm going to show you how to create a simple website with the help of AngularJS, and basically this is the template I'm going to create that. And you can see this is the simple web page template and it's not difficult anything, but how it looks like as it is, we are going to create our website. You can see there is a navigation panel. So this navigation panel has 5 elements, and these 5 elements we are going to use, we are going to create as it is, and the same banner, and it's a button, and there is some content, and there is a last news update. So I'm going to use many technologies like HTML5, CSS3. I mean, basically, when it comes to CSS3, I'm going to write a normal CSS3. I'm going to use a Sass. Because of that, we're going to create our CSS files. So when we are going to create our CSS files, I will show you how to use Sass, and how it's helpful. It's very helpful for us. And other than that, here these are some last news updates, but for this time I already mentioned that we are going to use AngularJS. So in this section we are going to use RESTful web service kind of thing, like not exactly the RESTful web service. We are going to use a JSON files, and because of the JSON file we're going to get the details from this last news update one. And welcome with only what I'm going to try, how I'm going to do is when we are clicking each of the button, there is a sample text will be showing like these, but each and every time you are going to click a navigation. So as I mentioned, this is a single page application, so only this content will be loading. Other than that, the rest of the page will be remaining and the same. And we are going to use some friendly URL. I mean, I'm not going to show it's dot index.html or PHP or JavaScript or whatever, but I'm just going to show the friendly URL. Other than that, of course, we are going to use only for the front-end technologies. I mean, not in backend. I'm not going to touch any server-side languages, or I'm not going to touch any database things. But it's just simply beautiful uh, website from a user point of view. And other than that, I'm going to use more technologies like not only AngularJS. I'm going to use jQuery for some reason, and I'm going to use Bootstrap. Basically, when I am going to create this navigation, basically I'm going to use Bootstrap for doing that. At the same time, you can see this is full and fully desktop version of how um, the page will be showing to the desktop user. So what I'm going to use is, meanwhile I'm developing that, or after I did that, I'm going to use some Bootstrap and some CSS to display these in the mobile resolutions. Like it's kind of a smartphone, or it can be a tablet view, or it can be desktop, or it can be a smart TV. So depending on the resolution, so I'm going to show how the website looks like. So these are the modern technologies nowadays the people they are using. So let's get started.